Good morning, guys. Mimi and Papa's book today is all about trucks. And the first truck is a digger truck. The busy yellow digger moves heavy rocks and dirt all day long. The rear arm moves up and down and side to side, digging in the dirt with its tough rear bucket. And I wonder who's driving this digger. It's Builder Bill, and he just loves to dig. And what's back here? Oh, Bill's box of special tools to help him. The strong front arm is used for lifting and moving. The digger moves earth and rock using its tough front bucket. Our next truck is a big fire engine. The fire engine sounds its siren and races to the fire. Its powerful engine means that it gets to emergencies very quickly. Well, what's in here? Oh, it's firefighter John, and he's ready to put out the fire. And here's the emergency ladder. If someone is caught way up in a building, the emergency ladder goes up and the fireman can rescue the person and bring him down. Fire trucks also have a big control panel, and that lets them pump the water wherever they need it. Oh, what's back here? Oh, special firefighting tools. They need them in some fires. But wait a minute, where's the hose to pour the water? Oh, there it is, and it's very long. Firefighters are very brave. And here's the mail truck. The mail truck drives through the city, delivering mail to homes and offices. On a busy day, a full load inside the truck might make over 100 stops. That's a lot. The mail truck sets out on its route once the mail has been delivered and sorted for delivery. And who is the mail? Oh, it's Mailman Pete. He delivers our mail every day. And what's inside the truck? Whoa, lots of mail bags and packages. Today will be a long day for deliveries. Oh, the tractor. The bright green tractor works on the farm, pulling the plow through the field. The plow cuts through the dirt, mixing it up so it's ready for seeds to be planted, like corn or tomatoes or anything. And the super strong tractor has a powerful engine so it can pull the plow. Whoa! Tractor engines are big and tough and ready for all kinds of jobs on the farm. And the big wheels make it easy for the tractor to go over bumpy ground or mud. Oh, a tanker truck. This tanker delivers fuel to gas stations all over the country. The tank holds enough fuel to run hundreds of cars. Every tanker has to have a special fire extinguisher on the back in case there's trouble. But what else does it have? Well, there it is. There's a fuel hose. That helps get the fuel from the tanker into the gas station. This truck travels long distances and through the night to make its deliveries. And who's driving? We may never know. Inside there's Penny. She delivers fuel from the depot to the gas stations that need more. Good work, Penny. Oh, maybe my favorite, the dump truck. The dump truck is a monster machine that moves heavy rocks. Here the truck bed is loaded with rocks from a mine. The wheels are taller than a grown-up. Whoa. And what does it have to help it do its job? Special tools, a pickaxe, a hammer, and a shovel. This truck is so big that to get into it, you have to climb a ladder all the way up. It's huge. And who does climb that ladder? Oh, it's Jeff. He's on his way to the construction site with some mined rock. Maybe they're going to build a house for people. I don't know. And here's the delivery truck. This handy delivery truck moves all sorts of things over long distances. This truck helps families moving into a new house, and there's lots of room for large loads. A ramp folds down inside to help when loading and unloading. So what could be in here maybe? Whoa, here's boxes that hold glass and china, and they're packed very carefully inside the truck so nothing breaks. What else could be in here? Oh, look, Bob will need help to remove all of these big pieces of furniture from the truck and make sure they don't break any. And where is Bob anyway? Well, there he is. He's the driver. Today he's helping a family move into a new house. Good work, Bob. Okay, that's the end of Mimi and Papa's book for the day. Have a good day, be good to your mommy and daddy, and have fun. Bye-bye.